Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acquisitive. 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 Acquisitive is an adjective that describes an intense desire or tendency to acquire or accumulate possessions, often driven by a need for more. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Her acquisitive nature led to a closet filled with clothes she rarely wore. Why acquisitive is used in example number 1. Acquisitive describes a strong desire for shopping and accumulating items. Example number 2. The acquisitive investor expanded his property portfolio by buying several commercial buildings. Why acquisitive is used in example number 2. Acquisitive is used in the context of property and asset acquisition. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.